Welcome to ATP Customs. Today I want to give you a little sneak peek of what we were supposed to be filming on Friday, but we got rained out for the weekend and we were hoping to do it Monday, and it's still raining, so you guys get a bonus video of what's coming, and you're also going to get a Mustang video today. So what do we have coming? We have Bob's. My friend Bob has quite a crazy collection. We're currently showing his 1940 Chris Craft Rum Runner with a 5.7 Mercruiser in it. This is an all original restoration and build. It is a beautiful boat, so we're definitely going to have a quick peek at that, but we won't be showcasing that one mainly. The exciting ones we're going to showcase is the ones Bob's going to show us what they can really do. So Bob does have a 2010 custom built Landcruiser with a 632 big block, 950 horse, fuel injection, air suspension, 46-inch Mickey Thompson's. That thing, I'm really excited. He's also got his own little track to show us in the yard, so he can actually show us what that thing can do. That is his snow wheeler. We're also going to have a look at his 65 Mercedes with a 550 horse 351. It has 345s on the back, and if I remember correctly, it does have a cantilever suspension setup and a 15-inch tub in it. That one is extremely cool. Coming into the shop to get some work done pretty quick. So yes, that one I'm excited about. His 69 Corvette 427 6-pack. That is an all original car if I remember correctly. I'm not sure if Bob wants to bag on that one, but we'll try and talk him into it. Now he has a 65 Comet. Really cool car, satin black, has a 4.6 32 valve in it. It's also got a 15-inch tub. And my favorite, his 1930 Ford Roadster pickup with a Motown 427, 500 plus, I think it's 550 horse as well. That one I'm very excited to see. So, coming to you soon.